Hi everyone! So for today's project, I will be starting with all of these items from the Dollar Tree: a shower cap, these file folders, 3 different kinds of file folders, and also this tote bag. And I will be using these frames, this one green one and 4 of these faux copper hammered frames. I'm going to go ahead and take this shower cap out of the packaging, and then I'm going to cut around where the elastic part is, and it's just going to make it easier for me to place the glass from the frame over the area that I want to show and trace it out and then cut it out. You can do this project with textiles, with anything that you have around your home, pictures from magazines. You have a lot of different options of things to use, just anything that's interesting and abstract. I decided to go with the green frame. I'm going to show you what it looks like with a gold frame, and let me know if you agree with me that it looks better with the green frame. So now what I'm going to do is to take the glass out of the next frame, and these are 4x6 frames. Of course, you know Dollar Tree has larger frames, so you can decide on the size that you would like to use. And I'm just going to trace out the glass on the file folders and then cut them out. And I do recommend using the glass instead of the backing of the frame so that you can see exactly what part of the file folder will be showing as a picture. It gives you more control over what the end product will look like. And then I will do the same thing for the tote bag. We have everything cut out, and I'll be placing them inside of the copper frames. And now that that's done, I'm just giving you a look at how they turned out. And now let's see what they look like on the wall. To me, it's more interesting to have things that wouldn't necessarily go together. I think it makes it more interesting to look at instead of things being matchy-matchy. I think if something gives you the same feel, then it does go together, but it's just visually more appealing for it to not be exactly the same. Now I have 4 of these 2x3 green frames, and I took some pages from the activity books that Dollar Tree sells, and I put them inside of the frames, and this is how they turned out. And so I added them to the wall, and I think it does add another dimension to it. You have all these different prints, you have all these different patterns. Again, I think the frames really help to make them look more cohesive, and it's just more interesting to look at. So let me know in the comments below if you like it better with the 5 frames on their own, or if you like it better with the little 2x3 frames added. I know it's not straight. I already know. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I appreciate your time. I hope you all are safe and are well. I'll see you in my next video, everybody. Take care. Bye.